A day in the life of a Happy Cat hotel and spa owner usually starts mid-morning, especially for hands-on owner-operators. You arrive at your hotel, coffee in hand, ready to check in with a team that's already hard at work. Housekeepers have been there since early morning, turning over suites for new arrivals, feeding, refreshing water, cleaning litter, and monitoring the cats. At the front desk, your kitty concierge is reviewing the day's schedule, which cats are checking in, who's heading home, and making sure the grooming calendar is lined up so the spa team has a seamless flow of appointments. And of course, you can't start your day without saying good morning to your feline guests. A quick round of chin scratches or tossing a toy reminds you why you started this journey in the first place. From there, the hotel quickly comes to life. Cats check in for their stays, grooming appointments roll throughout the day, and the team works together to make sure everything runs smoothly. As the owner, you're overseeing operations, keeping staff, guests, and clients happy, while also enjoying those quiet, meaningful moments that make this career so rewarding. In the afternoon, you may float between departments, helping review bookings or hopping on a call with Happy Cat headquarters. That's where the ongoing support comes in. Marketing, operations, training, and collaboration with our franchisees. Resources designed to keep you focused on growth and success. As the day winds down, you check in one more time. Housekeeping ensures you every suite is fresh, kitty concierge confirms tomorrow's arrivals, and the grooming team finishes up with their last appointments. With everything set, you can step away. Whether it's dinner with your family, an evening workout class, or just time to recharge. And thanks to webcam access through the hotel, you can check on your guests anytime from anywhere, knowing your staff has it covered. That's the beauty of being a Happy Cat hotel owner. You build a thriving business around your love of cats and the flexibility and support to design the life you want. Many owners choose to be hands-on. There's also opportunity for semi-absentee ownership where you build the business, empower your team, and still enjoy the rewards. Every day looks a little different, but each day is filled with purpose, opportunity, happiness, and of course, cats.